The Vivo X200 Ultra stands as the company's most ambitious flagship to date, combining cutting-edge hardware, advanced imaging capabilities, and a refined design to compete with the likes of Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra and Apple's iPhone 16 Pro Max. With a focus on performance, photography, and user experience, the X200 Ultra is poised to make a significant impact in the premium smartphone market. The Vivo X200 Ultra showcases a sleek and modern design, featuring a glass front and back with an aluminum frame. The device measures approximately 164.1 by 75.3 by 8.9 millimeters and weighs around 225 grams, offering a substantial yet comfortable feel in hand. It boasts IP69 certification, ensuring resistance to dust and water immersion up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. At the forefront is a 6.8-inch LTPO AMOLED display with a resolution of 1440 by 3200 pixels, delivering a pixel density of 515 ppi. The screen supports a 120 Hz refresh rate, HDR10+, and Dolby Vision, ensuring vibrant colors and smooth visuals. With a peak brightness of up to 4500 nits, the display remains clear even under direct sunlight. Under the hood, the Vivo X200 Ultra is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, built on a 3nm process. This octa-core processor comprises 2x4.32 GHz Cortex-Phoenix-L and 6x3.53 GHz Cortex-Phoenix-M cores, paired with the Adreno 830 GPU. The device offers configurations with 12 GB or 16 GB of DDR5X RAM and storage options ranging from 256 GB up to 1 TB of UFS 4.0 storage. The Vivo X200 Ultra is equipped with a highly versatile triple-camera system designed to deliver professional-grade photography. At the core of this setup is a 50-megapixel main camera featuring an f1.6 aperture, a large 1/1.28 sensor, with optical image stabilization for sharp, clear shots even in low light. Complementing the primary lens is a powerful 200-megapixel Periscope telephoto lens with an f2.7 aperture and a 1/1.4 sensor, offering 3.7x optical zoom, also with optical image stabilization for capturing distant subjects with exceptional clarity. Rounding out the trio is a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera with an f2.0 aperture and a wide 119-degree field of view, ideal for expansive landscape shots and group photos. This advanced camera system supports a range of video recording capabilities, including 8K recording at 30 frames per second, 4K at up to 120 frames per second, and slow-motion 1080p at up to 240 frames per second. Enhanced by features such as Zeiss advanced lens coating, laser autofocus, and sophisticated AI scene recognition, the X200 Ultra ensures high-quality imaging across various scenarios. On the front, the device is equipped with a 32-megapixel selfie camera with an f2.0 aperture. This front-facing lens supports 4K video recording at both 30 and 60 frames per second, making it perfect for high-resolution video calls and detailed selfies. The device houses a substantial 6,000 mAh battery, ensuring extended usage. It supports 90 watts wired charging, capable of fully charging the battery in approximately 40 minutes, and 30 watts wireless charging. Additionally, reverse wireless charging is available, allowing the X200 Ultra to charge other devices. The Vivo X200 Ultra runs on Android 15, layered with the company's refined Origin OS 5, offering a smooth and intuitive user experience that emphasizes both aesthetics and functionality. The software is packed with intelligent enhancements that elevate day-to-day usability. One of the standout features is the built-in AI voice assistant, which allows users to perform tasks hands-free through smart commands and natural language interactions. This assistant is deeply integrated with the system, making it easy to set reminders, send messages, or control smart home devices on the fly. Privacy and security have also been given special attention in the X200 Ultra. Vivo includes a secure vault for sensitive files, along with an app lock feature to protect individual applications with biometric authentication or passcodes. These tools help ensure that personal data stays protected without sacrificing convenience. Another notable addition is the customizable action button, a feature that allows users to assign quick access functions like launching the camera, turning on the flashlight, or opening a favorite app with a single press. It's a small touch, but one that significantly improves accessibility and user control. Beyond these highlights, the Vivo X200 Ultra includes an ultrasonic in-display fingerprint sensor for fast and secure unlocking, as well as support for NFC, an infrared port, and even satellite communication capabilities. Together, these features create a well-rounded flagship experience that goes beyond performance and design, delivering smart, user-focused functionality that enhances everyday use. The launch of the Vivo X200 Ultra is a few days away, but nonetheless, an unboxing video showcasing the new flagship in 2 colors has already emerged online. Meanwhile, Vivo has published a slew of new official camera samples taken using the X200 Ultra's 14mm and 85mm as well. Vivo has already confirmed that it will be launching the X200 Ultra next week in 3 colorways, and now a leaked photo circulating on Chinese social media has revealed what these color options look like in the flesh. While not particularly high resolution, the image has been joined by an unboxing video that showcases 2 of these 3 launch colors. Based on this unboxing video, it seems that Vivo will pack the X200 Ultra with plenty of accessories, unlike rivals from Apple and Samsung. Specifically, a color-matching silicone case can be made out, as can a power adapter and a USB cable. The insanely thick camera island is very obvious in this shot, but that's what you get when you pack 3 large sensors into one phone. Meanwhile, Vivo itself has published another set of camera samples taken with its next-generation flagship. This time, the company has focused on the phone's 14mm ultra-wide-angle sensor and the 85mm telephoto lens, rather than its new 35mm primary camera. For reference, the former will leverage the Sony LYT-818 sensor, which outputs at 50 megapixels, with a 1/1.2 8-inch optical format and a 2.0 aperture. By contrast, the telephoto sensor of the X200 Ultra is expected to utilize the same ISOCELL HP9 sensor as the Xiaomi 15 Ultra for a 200-megapixel native output. As for the other specifications, the X200 Ultra is expected to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. It will have an LTPO AMOLED screen with support for 120 Hz refresh rate and QHD plus resolution. It'll have a massive 6,000 mAh battery and IP69 resistance against water and dust. Vivo will officially launch this handset on April 21st, alongside a slew of other devices. But until then, do consider subscribing to the channel for all the latest update. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and turn on post notification, and I'll see you guys on the next one.